How to make a radial gradient background in Photoshop. Begin by importing your image. Once it's imported, choose the background layer. Now, access the gradient option. And apply a gradient to the background. Move to the top of the interface and locate the filter button. Click on it, navigate to the Distort section, and choose the wave filter. Customize the values to your liking and confirm by clicking OK. Return to the filter button. Select the Distort category again. And this time, opt for the Polar Coordinates filter. Within this filter, choose the rectangular to polar option. Adjust the background as needed and confirm by clicking OK. If you want to change the color of background, go to Adjustments, which is located at right side, and select the gradient map. Then select the gradient editor and change the color.